everyone, we are here to explain about our project, the Enhanced VTG, which is also known as the Enhanced Virtual Tourist Guide. This project is the result of a combined effort, and I would like to thank Rajamani ma'am for giving us great support in this project. Thank you ma'am. Now let's get into this video.
Good morning. We are here to explain about our project, the Virtual Tourist Guide. We all know that Goa is a well-known place for tourism. To enjoy each and every hour that we spend, we need for an effective guidance. So we have come up with an idea of creating an enhanced virtual tourist guide. This will give the necessary information and guidance to the tourist. In Goa traditional tourism webpage, there are less features and very less useful. So we have added an extra features such as track me and click and learn option.
We are going to see three major types of methodologies: WPVR, image searching process, as well as global positioning system. We are going to see about the two major types, WPVR as well as the image searching process. With WPVR, the user can create a virtual tour where the visitor can navigate by using the 360-degree view of your current location, which gives an overall idea about how the places may look in reality. Image searching process, which is used to combine a multiple photographic image with overlapping fields to produce the panoramic or high resolution image to the tourist.
This is the block diagram of our project. Here the user can use the following features. On the first page, we have the top places to visit in Goa. Here we can search for destinations by using the list or map option. Here we also have the VR option which gives us 360 view of specific place. By using this, foreigner can experience the place before visiting it. Then we have the book now option. Here we can get information about the packages along with the places to be visited in each day and their rates. Next is the explore option. By using this, we can get information about the popular destination like beach, park, museum, etc. Here we have the petit detail option where we can get information about the suitable days to visit certain places. For example, some events may occur only at certain places at certain times. If we are interested in being a part of it, we can use this option to know about it. We also have the information about the entry fees secured in each place. Then we have the to-do list option. This is for adventurers who wants to do scuba diving, bungee jumping, or even plan a wedding there. Next is the login. User who wants to use this application must log in first. Then we have the track me option. If the user uses this option, he can only track himself. But if the admin uses this option, he can get information about the tourists in each part of Goa. Last is the click and learn option. Here we can get information about the certain places just by taking a picture.
Roadmap for implementation. In this, initially the user have to log in the login page. The user login is to get the details about the user. Next, search for tourist destination. It shows the list of popular tourist destination. We can book the hotels, tour packages, etc. After that, in this we have implemented the track me option. In this track me, we can track a particular place. Then click and land. After completing this, the user have to log out the login page.
Applications for this project. The first application is it helps the foreigner to know the history of the places in Goa. By using this application, we can search or use click and learn option to know the entire history of the particular place in Goa. It acts as a tourist guide and helps the tourist to choose perfect place to visit within their touring time. And the second application is traveler can avoid getting lost. By using the tracking option, they can track his position, which helps them to reach the destination on time. And the third application is it provides statistics about the number of users who are referring the monuments and the entire details of the users. It helps the government to provide a facility to the people who are visiting the
Showstopper. It depends on Google search for information. Fake information in the page can guide a tourist in a wrong way. To avoid it, can provide a feedback column so that if people find it to be a fake, can send us their feedback and the development team will so further research about the particular campaign. Conclusion. So before ending this video, let's have look back. We have covered objective, methodology, block diagram, roadmap, application and showstopper in detail. Thus, we have given you a clear image of our Enhancement Tourist Guide project.
Hope you have understood the idea, concept and the use of our project. If you have any doubts, kindly let us know in the comment box. Thank you for spending some time with us. Happy coding!